past 2 years, the world has been told that artificial intelligence is the future. Companies rushed into AI, investors poured billions into AI, governments declared AI a national priority. But now a new reality is emerging. The AI boom may be running into its first major crisis: cost. According to Wall Street Journal's report, some of America's biggest companies are now actively rationing AI use because expenses are exploding far faster than expected. And this is surprising because just months ago, the narrative was completely different. Executives were telling employees to use AI for everything: coding, meetings, consumer support, writing, research, analytics, and whatnot. Companies feared being left behind in the AI race. But then the bills arrived. The problem comes down to something called tokens. Every AI prompt, response, image generation, or coding request consumes computing power measured in tokens. And as millions of employees started using AI tools daily, token consumption exploded. Some companies reportedly burned through their yearly AI budgets in just 3 months. Others saw AI spending double or even triple unexpectedly. Even OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently admitted that rising AI token costs have become a huge issue for many companies, although he has said that he still doesn't fully understand why costs escalated this quickly. And here's the bigger problem: AI is not just expensive financially, it is becoming massively expensive environmentally too. A new UN-backed report warns that by 2030, AI data centers could consume water equal to annual needs of 1.3 billion people. Yes, 1.3 billion people. Why? Because AI data centers generate enormous heat. Cooling these facilities requires millions of liters of water and huge amounts of electricity. The UN estimates global AI related data center electricity consumption could hit 945 terawatt hours by 2030, nearly triple the combined annual electricity use of Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nigeria. And now the concerns are becoming so serious that even AI companies themselves are sounding alarm. According to another Wall Street Journal report, Anthropic, one of the world's biggest AI firms, has reportedly urged a global slowdown in advanced AI development, warning about risks related to self improving AI systems. The fear is that companies are racing too fast without fully understanding long term consequences. Why? Because the company fears that the industry may be moving too fast towards systems capable of self improvement without needing a lot of human intervention. That phase is critical. Self improving AI systems that can potentially upgrade or optimize themselves without constant human intervention. This is what it means. Anthropic reportedly warned that once AI reaches certain capability levels, humanity may struggle to fully predict or control its behavior. So suddenly the AI debate is changing. Until now, the conversation was mostly about opportunity: faster work, bigger profits, automation, and trillion-dollar valuations. Now the conversation is shifting towards sustainability, infrastructure limits, rising energy costs, water shortages, and whether the economics of AI are actually making sense at scale.